Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into INVOICE FLY app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So here's the breakdown. The INVOICE FLY app makes creating and sending invoice quick and simple, especially if you are a freelancer, contractor or small business owner who just need a straightforward billing tools without clutter. You can customize template, track payment, and send reminder right from your phone, which help you stay organized and get paid on without jumping into complex software. However, it's pretty basic compared with full accounting platform, so it doesn't undo things like full expense tracking, time tracking, or double entry bookkeeping. Some users also say features like recurring invoice or advanced reporting are limited or required a paid plan. So my opinion, I actually think the app is worth using if all you need is simple, no nonsense invoicing, and if you want a deeper financial management or a full business suite, you might want something more robust than this app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.